Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix we would not able to download all necessary files in Windows 10 computer or Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. This type of problem may caused by update error or some bugs in Windows 10 computer. Now I am going to show you how to fix this issue. Open File Explorer, click on this PC, right click on your local drive, that is C drive, click on Properties, now click on Disk Cleanup, scanning process is continuing, it will take some time. Okay, now disk cleanup for C drive has been opened. Now check all blank items. I am going to click all, one, another one, another one. Now scroll down, the system error memory dump file, click here, system error mine dump file, click here, minimize and click here, you need to click and you need to select all files from here. Okay, look, I have selected all. Now click on OK. Now you will get a message. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files and cleaning process is continuing. It will take some long times. You have to wait to finish this process. Okay, cleaning process has been completed. Now click on OK. Now you need to restart your computer so that you would be able to download all necessary files in your Windows 10 computer. Now I am going to restart my computer. Click on Start menu, click on Power, then click on Restart. After restarting your computer, hope your problem has been solved. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.